Hello, hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing today? I hope you are doing amazing. For those who are new into my vlog, I am Joanne Ruto. We are living here in the USA with my husband Eli, together with our two kids, Nathan and Ethan. Time check, guys. It's already 3:12 of December 24. I just got up from work, guys. Nasa work ako since yesterday at 4 p.m. up to today 3 p.m. Ayan, ganito talaga sa US, guys. Kahit magpapasko na, nasa work pa rin. And I will have a 17 hours shift again tomorrow from 4 p.m. up to Tuesday, December 26 ng 9 a.m. Okay, but at least I have 23 hours to celebrate Christmas para salubungin ang Christmas with my family here in the US. Ayan, sa ating mga pamilya dyan and sa ating mga kababayan dyan sa Pilipinas, maligayang Pasko po sa ating lahat. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas! Ayan, and then sa ating mga kababayan here in the US, and then sa amang sulok ng mundo na sasalubungin pa lang ang Pasko. Ayan, Merry Christmas in advance. Siguro may mga magtatanong, no, bakit hindi man lang ako nag-file ng leave. So hindi na ako nag-file ng leave, guys, kasi meron namang 23 hours in between na nasa bahay ako to celebrate the Christmas or para salubungin ang Christmas with my family. And also, guys, kagagaling ko lang sa maternity leave, which is more than 2 months, kaya hindi na ako nag-file ng leave, guys. It's okay. Kung mapapansin nyo, guys, nandito ako sa Walmart. I will just buy some few items. Siguro bibili lang ako ng panahog sa pancit and sopas. Yun lang yung lulutuin ko, guys. Hindi na ako gagawa ng salad kasi usually kapag Pasko and New Year, kumakain lang kami sa labas. And also, guys, ang birthday ng firstborn namin na si Nathan is January 6. So dun lang kami naghahanda talaga, guys, para minsanan na hindi magastos. But since today it's rainy day, as you can see, ayan, maulan siya. So hindi kami pwedeng lumabas, especially we have infant. So ang gagawin ko, magluluto lang ako pero konti lang. Ayan, so tara na, guys, punta tayo sa Walmart. Syempre, guys, ang Christmas is not about gatherings, it's not about the food, yung mga masasarap na pagkain. It's about the birth of our Jesus Christ. So wag natin kalilimutan, guys, that we are celebrating Christmas because we have Jesus Christ. Our God the Father gave His Son Jesus for us. Don't forget John 3:16, for God so loved the world and He gave His only begotten Son, for whosoever believe in Him should not perish but have an everlasting life. And yeah, of course, masaya ang Pasko if we are celebrating it with our family, and also kapag may kasamang mga masasarap na pagkain. Ayan, paalala lang po sa ating mga kababayan, sa ating mga loved ones dyan, na wag masyadong uminom, and kapag kalasing, wag na mag-drive, no, kasi lalo na ngayon na peak season, holiday, no, uso ang mga aksidente kasi nalasing na, ayan, na aksidente. Huwag naman sana. Kaya ingat-ingat po tayong lahat. Let's go, and then I will buy some few items. Maulan, guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa Walmart. Pero hindi siya masyadong malamig. But on the next day, Tuesday, magi-snow yata. Kuha tayo ng cabbage. Tapos kukuha tayo ng beans. Kuha tayo ng isa nito. Tapos, asan yung mga beans? Kuha tayo, guys, ng mayo. Diyan. Tara na, guys, mag-check out na tayo. Konti lang binili ko. Tapos na ako, guys, mamalengke. Dami kong nabili, guys. Sabi ko, konti lang bibilin ko. Ayan, oh. Impulse buying. Uwi na tayo. Maulan, guys. Ayan. Sabi ni Habi, guys, kain na lang kami sa McDonald's. Eh, maulan. Kung lumabas mamaya, diba? Yan, na-load ko na siya, guys. Uwi na tayo. O, diba? Super mom. Galing sa 23 hours na trabaho, tapos nag-grocery pa ako. Pag uwi ko, mag-alaga ng baby at magluluto pa. Impulse buying. Sabi ko, konti lang, gulay lang. Tapos naparami ng konti. Di bale, nasa $40 lang naman yun. Pero nauwi na tayo. Guys, I will not take much of your time. Alam nyo naman kapag Pasko, ayan, it's our time to celebrate with our family. Ganyan. And thank you so much for stopping by and watching my videos, guys. Huwag natin kalilimutan ang essence ng Pasko, no? Because of our Jesus Christ, we have an easy access to salvation. Ayan, i-grab natin ito, guys. Huwag natin kalilimutan yung pagmamahal ng ating God the Father, no, sa atin. Yung binigay niya ang kanyang bugtong na anak for us to be saved. Let's also give importance to our soul, and yeah, let's worship our God, our Jesus, and once again, maligayang Pasko po sa ating lahat, and have a Merry Christmas. Natin tong gift ng Nova. Oh, may pa-tumbler sila ngayon, oh. Tumbler. May lip balm, pen, chocolate. Ito yung panglagay sa susi. And then, may maliit na hand cream. Ito, card ito. Baka Walmart card. Tapos ito, shower steamer. And then, ito, sa susi din. And candy. Ayan. Ito naman yung kwan nila. Woo! Meron akong undiscard again.
Oh, just give it to me now.
$5. Ayan. Tapos ito, thank you for everything you do. You're a pillar of this team. I appreciate you so much.